Hey guys, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. Now, real mom talk here. I spend a lot of time meal prepping gourmet meals for baby E, and I'm left to throw together whatever scraps I can to make a meal for myself using whatever he's chucked on the floor. Honestly, I'm embarrassed to admit this, but sometimes I feel like I don't even have enough time to put meat on bread to make a proper sandwich or to eat my salad with a fork. So today I've partnered with Maple Lodge Farms, who sponsored this video, to bring you 3 easy, low-carb, high-protein, keto-friendly snacks with minimal assembly required. Sometimes I just don't have enough time to batch cook everything from scratch as I'd like to, just to put together a high-protein quick snack. So when I eat deli meat in moderation, I look for an option that's natural, low in sodium, and lean like poultry. So today I'm going to show you my deli roll-ups 3 ways: Buffalo, Greek, and Californian. Let's do this. First, I went buffalo style with their Spicy BBQ Chicken Breast. I loaded it up with some celery, shredded cabbage, a little blue cheese, and a dash of hot sauce. Delish au naturel or with this easy blue cheese dip. Next, I made a Greek-inspired roll-up using the garlic and pepper chicken breast. I added some sliced cucumber, tomato, olives, onions, oregano, and a little feta cheese. You can enjoy these on their own or dunk them into a quick red wine vinegar dressing. Finally, I made a lean green California-inspired roll-up using the oven-roasted chicken breast. I filled this one with avocado, spinach, pickled jalapeños, and bell pepper. And I dunk it into my tasty chipotle aioli dip. I like Maple Lodge Farms' new Natural from the Farm deli line because it's got 25% less salt than other natural deli brands, but it still packs a ton of flavor. It's also gluten-free, has 21% protein, and is made with natural ingredients. Well guys, there you have it, just a few ideas to help inspire your own on-the-go snack wraps. If you want these recipes and their dips, definitely check out my blog link in the description below. Again, a big thank you to Maple Lodge for sponsoring this video. If you loved it, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Try these recipes at home and leave me a comment below with some of your go-to filling combinations. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!